Velthentic Clothing is marketed as a stylish fashion retailer offering trendy apparel and major discounts that seem almost too good to pass up. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this, or are there warning signs hiding behind a polished website? Now, to be fair, not every unfamiliar online clothing store is automatically a scam. Some newer fashion brands are legitimate businesses that simply haven't built a long reputation yet. What it does well: the website may look professional. Many newer clothing stores invest heavily in polished product pages and modern design. The clothing designs can be attractive. Fashion-focused sites often use eye-catching photography and trendy styles to grab attention. Where the concerns start appearing: heavy discounts can be a warning sign. This is the biggest issue. Constant 60 to 80% discounts and urgency tactics can sometimes be used to encourage impulse buying. Independent reputation may be limited. When a store has little third-party history, it becomes harder to verify real customer experiences. Product photos do not guarantee quality. Professional images can create expectations that the delivered items may not always match. So, should you buy from Velthentic Clothing? Short answer: proceed carefully. There is not enough widely established information to automatically label the store as fake, but there are enough common e-commerce warning signs that buyers should do additional research before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.